Why you look so sad? Teaser in your eyes. Come on and come to me now. Don't be ashamed to cry. Let me see you through, 'cause I've seen the dark side too. When the night falls on you, you don't know what to do. Nothing you confess could make me love you less. I'll stand by you, I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. So if you're mad, get mad, hold it all inside. Come on and talk to me now. Hey, what you got to hide? I get angry too. Well, I'm a lot like you when you're standing at the crossroads, don't know which path to choose. Let me come along, 'cause even if you're wrong, I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. Take me into your darkest hour.
Falling. Here we are at the crossroads once again. You're telling me you're so confused, you can't make up your mind. Is this meant to be? You're asking me, but only love can say. Drug and a walk away, but I believe for you and me the sun will shine one day. So I just play my part and pray you'll have a change of heart. But I can make you see it through. That's something only love can do. As the dawn is breaking, face to face and 1,000 miles apart, I try my best to make you see there's hope beyond the pain. If we give enough, if we learn to trust, but only love can save. Drag and a walk away, but I believe for you and me the sun will shine one day. So I just play my part. We'll have a change of heart, but I can make you see it through. That's something only love can do. I know if I could find the words to touch you deep inside,
You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew were all the years I had with you. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. You taught me how to love, what it's up, what it's up. You never said too much, but still you showed the way. And I knew from watching you, nobody else could ever know the part of me that can't let go. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you know, you're loving them so, but taking them all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you long to say. I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again, just to touch you once again.
I feel everything, never been so exposed. Are there places still yet to be discovered with your love? I can see everything through where